Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this 5-inch ring light. So this is how everything comes packaged. And this is all you get in the box. So let's start off with a nice carrying bag. A nice tripod here. Legs just simply pop out. So you got a clip so you don't have to use the tripod if you don't want. You can clip this on to many different areas. You get a nice manual. Here is the actual ring light. So it's on the small side, so keep that in mind. It does have a plenty cable. It's a USB powered, and you have your controls right here. That's standard. So as you guys see, we have other ring lights, and it's standard remotes. So these are bigger ring lights that we currently use. Ring lights are amazing. You guys can buy a bigger tripod if you want to put it on a much higher tripod. Let's go ahead and plug it in and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so once you have it plugged in, there's going to be a little blue light here. And this is your little light. Wow, that's actually pretty bright. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. This one is brighter than our bigger ones. That's impressive. Look guys, so here we go. Let's turn it on and off. Look how bright this is. So let's see, plus, power off. Look at that. Look at the difference. That is very impressive. And of course, guys, you can change the color mode. So you have 3 color modes, which is standard on your ring lights. That is impressive, though, how bright this is. I think we're actually going to keep this for our review station. We're going to set it far away over here. So we're going to set it way over there. And keep this with our other two, because if we turn this off, look how different, it does really brighten things up a bit. I'm very impressed. Very impressed.